In the first step, you need to register on the site with a valid email. It is better to choose a strong password and save it. In this way, your account was created on our website. Now, to activate your affiliate account, you need to click on the affiliate option from these options on the left. In this section, just select to become affiliate. Wait a few seconds for your account to be created. This is your affiliate account. Now we will give you a brief explanation about working with this account so that you can get to know more about these capabilities. In the dashboard, you can see a summary of the activities and results of your referrals. Because this account is newly created and no referrals have been made yet, this statistic is 0. In the Profiles tab, you can edit your information. As you can see, your email, name and surname are specified in this section. Now you can also specify your country and click Save Changes. In order for your commission to be transferred to your bank account, you need to enter your bank card information. You can do this whenever you want to request a settlement. In the Marketing tab, there are items that are needed for cooperation. For example, here you can create your referral link. For this, you must first create a campaign. In that case, you know which campaign the referral link you created is so far. So you can check the statistics of this campaign. For example, we named the campaign Black Friday. Wait a few seconds for this campaign to be created for you. Your campaign has been created so easily. Now it's your turn to create your affiliate link. You can send this link to your contacts so that they can enter the site using this link. In this case, every purchase and visit will be in your name and a commission will be considered for you in return for the purchase. Now, first select the desired campaign and then select the link you want to advertise for. This link can be the link of the main page of the site or the address of one of the packages. It depends on your decision and type of advertisement. For example, I want to put the main page here. Copy the desired link and paste it in this section and click on Generate Link to prepare the affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. You can see the specifications of this link in this table. There are ready-made banners in this section that you can use. It is not mandatory to use these banners, and you can do this cooperation in any effective way according to the type of your audience. If you believe that other social media would be more beneficial, you are welcome to use them. In the Referral tab, you can check all the information related to this issue. But as you can see, no referral have been registered yet, so all the statistics will be shown as 0. It is better to show you this when a number of referrals have been connected. For example, you have 2 referrals in your dashboard. And you earned 30 euros from these 2 items. Here you can check the amounts that have been approved and are under approval, and the number of referrals. Here you can also check the reason for which each amount has been deposited to you. For example, €1 was deposited into your account due to the registration of a new person on your behalf. And €29 were deposited into your account through the purchase of a customer. In the payment section, you can check transactions and payment reports. There is no report here because a payment has not yet been made. In addition to receiving money, you can also receive a discount code for purchasing packages according to your balance. For this, you use the wallet option. By choosing this option, you can choose the amount of money you want to transfer from your account to the wallet. Here, only €1 is given because €29 has not been approved by the financial system of the site yet. If you have this money approved, you can see the remaining €29 here. After selecting this option, the discount code will be shown to you. For example, this is your discount code, which is worth €1. Now, to make sure this discount code works, we will test it. We choose one of the site's packages and put it in our shopping cart. Now enter your discount code in this section and wait for the discount to be applied. As expected, the amount of €1 has been reduced from the final price. Return to your account. In the Report tab, you can check all reports related to affiliate. For example, you can see the traffic generated by you on the site. You can also check the performance of the campaigns you created. Thank you for being with us so far. We hope to have a valuable cooperation with each other.